What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do a walk around, just kind of let you follow me around, do some chores. I gotta feed the chickens, gotta water the donkeys, pick up eggs, and anything else I find out of order, and I usually get sidetracked and start doing something else. Hope you enjoy. Where'd that duck go? Where's the duck? Where did it go to? Don't let this donkey get you, Mac. What are you gonna do now? Oh, he sees that duck over there. It's over between the fence and the web wire. Oh, he found it. Max. Got an egg. So I've got this water hose hooked to a rain barrel. I'm gonna check this, make sure she's got water. If not, I'll hook it up, fill her water up. She don't have much. Much old trash, slime. Max, what are you doing? Don't let that donkey see you. I got to burn those bags. There's Mama Duck on top of the chicken coop. The only bad thing about ducks is they like to they get on top of my chicken coops and they crap. I don't know where she comes from. Every evening she waits till I leave. And so here's my hose for the you just have to make sure you don't forget it and let it drain the tank. But I've got a little short piece of gutter up here going into this. Donkey almost got him. So I've got a 300-gallon tank. And I just got a little valve. I've got a little rubber coupling, and I adapted it down to a water hose fitting. This one fills up the duck tank, the ducks' water, and this one goes to the donkeys out in the pasture. And I've got a rose bush started to kind of disguise it. Oh, I forgot to hook the fence back up.